Hey, what's up, dogs? I got my boy here.
Hey, what's going on, fellas?
Yeah, we're here at Hall Hill Raceway.
What are we doing?
We're about to race some mini bikes.
We're about to race some mini bikes. We got the bikes right here. They're kind of mini. They're not full size. That's why they're called mini bikes.
Yeah,
We're out here at
check
Hall
them out,
Hill.
check them out, check them out. But yeah, we're about to do some racing.
Doing racing. Hey,
Catch me at the Checker Flag.
y'all holler at your boy. Come on.
Yeah, bitch. You get her? Come on. Two trucks! Let's go! Oh shit. That's the only one I've seen drive back in.
Love your riding skills. Sound like that.
October the 19th to 23rd, 23rd, keep up with our Facebook page. We have a for real live circus coming. The Garden Club.
We only had that one crash, and the one
Bischoff.
Bischoff?
Bischoff, yes, sir.
All right, folks, there's your winner right there, Ethan Bischoff right there. There's the $500 cash.
Yeah.
And again, the way we do that is we don't charge the entry fee or racing.
What did we say, huh? What did we say? Good thing you didn't bet, huh?
Yeah.
You winner right there.
Thank you. Hold that.
Again, folks, if y'all want to see the same racing like that, come on out there. Thank everybody here for Downhill. Appreciate it. Everybody have a good night.
What happened to you? They passed you?
Yeah, he had no motor.
I knew you were behind me for a minute and I thought we was going to sweep it. You got third?
Yeah, y'all placed.
Let's go! Yeah! Let's go! Damn, you would have had it too!
Mathis down there with the swords and the knives. And he's got 4 mini bikes for sale. So if you want to get into this, come see James down there. He can get you started. All right, we got them rolling. We're going to bring them around. Green flag, there we go. All right, got a good battle for the lead. All right. Good battle for 4th place.
Oh shit! He's in a seat,
All right, here we go. 55 takes the lead. Oh, that's all right. They still got light. All right, 55 still leading. 15 in second. Oh, I got a good move. Good battle for third. Good third place.
What happened?
Halfway. He's stretching the lead out. Oh, got one down in the turn. He got her going again. All right, there's your leader, number 55.
It's Norman Pete. Yeah, bro.
That's still a good battle for 5th and 6th. right, here comes your leader out of turn 4. Number 55, right there, your winner. Woo! Second place. All right, let's bring the winner up here. Come on up here. All right, we're gonna try to get you up here. All right, there's your winner right there. In the Open Modified. All right, folks, there's your winner right there, Ethan Bischoff right there. There's the $500 cash right in his hand. And again, the way we do that is we don't charge for entry fee or racing or to come watch. We got great sponsors that take care of us. So let's hear it again for your winner right there in the Open Modified. Again, folks, if y'all want to see the same racing like that, come on out to our track October 15th. We want to thank everybody here from All Hill Raceway for letting us come out and put on a show for y'all. Appreciate it. Everybody have a good night. Appreciate everybody coming.
All right, you guys give them guys a big hand for the rules. All right, we need to rent some cars. So these guys get out of the way. Everybody who's got a car that's ready to roll, crank it up, get into the track. Everybody get into the track.
Yeah, Steve!
Third place.
Yeah, that was good, man. That was good. Y'all placed.
Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Damn, you would have had it too. Bro, I know. Last got fucking took it out.
It's up to you to give it to him.
I thought he picked it up already.
No.
I had to give it. I ain't no pockets.
I know.
You got a picture up there, Jack?
Yeah, I got a bunch. I got pictures.
Ethan Money Man Bischoff. Woo!